Hello everyone. I just wanted to record this quick video to show you the new thing that we have been doing at Mural. My team, the brand and creative team, actually created this new agile space on mural.co that you can check. And I wanted to highlight the incredible work, so I will just walk you through a bit this new project. So just click on mural.co. You will see at the top that you can access the agile space, or if you scroll just a bit, you will see here that you can also access the agile space. So I will do it like it's something I never went to before. So just click on the takeoff, and now you will see that you're on this nice page. Welcome to mission control for agile space, and you have a lot of things. So first you need to put some information. So I just basically add some stuff and my work mail, which would be my private email in that case, and agile experience level. So I'm kind of a beginner, but let's just say I'm intermediate to see what happens. And no need of phone number, so 00000, whatever. I would like to receive updates from Mural, including webinars. Well, actually, I'm already part of Mural, so it's okay. But you can click this one if you want to get more info, and then engage the blast off. And that's what I wanted to show you. Actually, it's not just the website that I want to show you. Of course, there's the content, but I thought that they did an incredible work. And yeah, I know they put a lot of effort in this one. So you will see like the storytelling about the space and everything around this universe. So you can find info about Scrum, the kanban, of course, the agile stuff, and templates within Mural that you can download. So you can either navigate this way, or you can use the number. This is Loom bothering me on the side to go all the way down. And of course, you can also access from the top menu. Let's just explore Kanban because I like Kanbans. I don't know why. So you have some content, and you can. What's interesting is here you can access some template just for fun. That's a really nice visual, and you can even navigate here to see more stuff, information, and you can launch templates also from here. But let's just do the easy way, which is here, and view all templates for Kanban team, which brings me here, and then I can click, I guess, Kanban board template to access the Mural board. Yeah. And so here we have a nice template of Kanban board that we can already create Mural from template, and then you have it in your workspace, and you can just basically run your Kanban. We love the Kanban. If I go back, I'll probably here because it opened a new window anyway. I can have a look to retrospective, prioritization template. You have many other template, additional resource. Let's just have a look to the Scrum. So as you can see, you have all the roles in the team, and then you can read more content, the Scrum ceremonies, and let's say you want to check how the backlog refinement works and how you can use Mural. So let's just launch a new template. And here you have a nice template for your backlog. And you have all the instruction, explanation, tips, how to use it. So yeah, if you are not already using Mural templates for what you need, your workshop, your workflow, anything, you should check this out. And yeah, I think they made an incredible work with this page. I really like it. And so if you're an agilist, a scrum master, or interested by those kind of things, or it's your daily routine at work, just have a look and try our templates. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.